Hello everyone. In this lesson we are going to be introduced with the first tool of Adobe Illustrator, and the name of our tool is Selection Tool. So this is our selection tool, and you can see here this is the shortcut of the selection tool, and the shortcut key is V for violin. Okay, so what is the use of selection tool? So if you want to select any object or subject or shape or text or any elements in Illustrator, you have to use this selection tool. And if you want to move any subject, any shapes, if you want to move from here and there, like from top to bottom, from left to right, you have to use this selection tool. So let's learn with a live example. So you can see here inside my toolbar, I got a rectangle tool here. You can see here that is named a rectangle tool, and this rectangle tool is using for creating rectangle shape. So I want to create a shape first for teaching you about the use of selection tool. So I'm selecting this rectangle tools, and let's draw a simple shape. Okay, you can see that I have created a rectangle shape here. Now I'm using this selection tool. So as I was saying, for moving any object or subject or shape, you have to use this selection tool. So this is my rectangle shape, and I want to move this rectangle shape from top to bottom. Right now it's placed on top. I want to place it in bottom. So you can see that the rectangle shape placed properly because I'm able to move my shape using the rectangle tool. Okay, so you can see here this is a center point. You can also place your mouse cursor in here, and you can move at top, at left, at right, or at bottom. So anywhere in your document you can able to place it. Okay, now if you want to copy or if you want to duplicate this shape, in that case you can press Alt button from your keyboard. So if you press Alt button on your keyboard, your mouse cursor icon will be changed. So let me press the Alt button from my keyboard, and you can see it's changed. So let me move this mouse cursor in here, and now you can see I have copied or I have duplicated a shape from the first one, and I also used this selection tool. So you just have to press Alt button from your keyboard. Cool. So I hope you got the idea how you will use this selection tool. And now we have two shape in here. This is the first one, this is the second one. So if you want to select the second one, you just have to click this second one using the selection tool. Now let me create some more shapes, because you can create some groups and you can use your selection tool for moving the groups. So I want to select both of this shape, and for selecting both of shape you have to press Shift button from your keyboard, and then you can select both. Now let me press Alt button, and I am going to create another copy. Okay, so total 4 rectangle shape is created, but still you were able to move every single rectangle shape individually. Like if you want to move this third one, you can move it, you can move the fourth one, second one, first one, you are still able to move. But if you need to create a group, and if you need to move all the rectangle shapes at once, in that case what do you have to do? You have to press Shift button, and you have to select all the rectangles. Then you have to right click with your mouse, then you will have this group option. Please make sure that you are clicking your right button of mouse inside this rectangle shape. Then you will be able to get this group option. Then you have to click this group. Now this 4 rectangle shape turned into group, and now if you want to move separately, you won't be able. Once you will select the third one, and if you want to move separately the third one, you won't be able, because all the 4 rectangle shapes is now grouped, and now wherever you want to move your rectangle shapes, this 4 rectangle shape will move along. So this is how you will create the group using the selection tool. And this group is, when you will work professionally, you have to work with this group functionality a lot, because when you will work with multiple object or multiple subject, you have to make them a group, and therefore this group is really important. Okay, so now I want to ungroup these things. Let me show you how you will ungroup. It's really very simple. You just have to right click with your mouse, then you will have this ungroup option. So let me click ungroup, and now let me move this, let me select this third one, and let me move here and there. Now you will be able to move the shapes individually as you want. So I hope you got the idea how this selection tool is working. And in our next lesson, we're going to learn how you will customize this rectangle shape with the selection tool.